Hello my dear students, welcome to BISWA'S chemistry, and in this lecture I am going to discuss about the various conversions related to organic chemistry. Okay, so our first conversion is convert methylamine into ethylamine into ethylamine, and our next conversion is convert ethylamine into methylamine. Okay, let's do it. First हम conversion करिबा methylamine to ethylamine into ethylamine. Okay, in the first step we can convert methylamine into methyl alcohol by the action of HNO2, means nitrous acid. Okay, nitrous acid. Okay, and in the next step methyl alcohol can be get converted into methyl chloride by the action of PCl5. Okay, so finally methyl alcohol can be get converted into methyl chloride by the action of PCl5, that is your phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, next methyl chloride can be further treated with alcoholic KCl to form methyl cyanide, and methyl cyanide can be further reduced in the presence of sodium in ethanol to form ethylamine. So this is the expression how can you convert methylamine into ethylamine. Okay guys, completed. Please take a screenshot. Thank you. And our next conversion is convert ethylamine into methylamine. Okay, ताला देखिबा convert करिबा ethylamine को methylamine में. Okay. So finally, let's do the second question. Ethylamine, in the first step, ethylamine can be get converted into ethyl alcohol by the action of nitrous acid, and ethyl alcohol can be further oxidized in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate to form acetaldehyde, and acetaldehyde can be further oxidized with acidified K2Cr2O7, means potassium dichromate, in acidic medium to form acetic acid, and acetic acid can be further treated with ammonia and then heated. We get acetamide, and acetamide can be further treated with alkaline solution of bromine, that is called Hofmann's bromamide reaction. Okay, so finally we get methylamine. So this is the expression how you can convert ethylamine into methylamine. Okay guys, please take a screenshot. Thank you. And our next conversion is how can you convert acetic acid into formic acid, and the second one is formic acid to acetic acid. Okay, formic acid to acetic acid. Let's do the first conversion. Our first conversion is convert acetic acid to formic acid. Okay. So in the first step, acetic acid can be treated with sodium hydroxide to form sodium acetate, and sodium acetate can be further treated with soda lime, that is your sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide, and we get methane. We get methane, and methane can be further treated with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or ultraviolet radiation for a short period. For a short period, we get methyl chloride. We get methyl chloride, and methyl chloride can be get converted into methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol by the treatment of aqueous KOH. So finally, we get methyl alcohol, and finally we get what? Methyl alcohol, and methyl alcohol can be further oxidized in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate to get formaldehyde, and formaldehyde can get converted into formic acid by the oxidation with same potassium dichromate in which medium? In acidic medium. Okay, so finally we get formic acid. So this is the expression how you can convert acetic acid into formic acid. Okay, so guys, please take a screenshot. Thank you. And our next conversion is convert formic acid into acetic acid, and our next conversion is convert formic acid into acetic acid. Formic acid into acetic acid. Okay, so let's do it. Formic acid can be treated with calcium hydroxide. We get calcium formate. And calcium formate can be further heated to form formaldehyde to get formaldehyde, and formaldehyde can be further reacts with methyl magnesium bromide, that is your Grignard's reagent, in the presence of dry ether. We get ethyl alcohol, and ethyl alcohol can be get converted into acetic acid by the oxidation with acidified K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium, and finally we get acetaldehyde, and acetaldehyde can be get converted into acetic acid by the further oxidation with acidified K2Cr2O7 acidified potassium dichromate in acidic medium to form what? Acetic acid. Okay, so this is the conversion how you can convert formic acid into acetic acid. Okay, so guys, please take a screenshot. Thank you.